Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to see your YouTube Music Recap 2025. So if you're trying to check your yearly music stats but can't find them, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, open your YouTube Music app on your phone. Now, at the top of the home screen, you should see a banner that says, Your 2025 YouTube Music Recap is here. Go ahead and tap on it. If you don't see the recap option here, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. This time, you should see an option called Your Recap. Tap on it, and just like that, you can start exploring your yearly stats, top songs, top artists, genres, playlists, and more. When you're ready, tap Get Your Recap to view the full breakdown. This will instantly open your full YouTube recap, where you can see your top songs, top artists, playlists, genres, and everything you listened to this year. At the bottom, you'll notice two options. Tap Share if you want to share your recap with friends or on social media, or tap Save Image to download your recap straight to your gallery. Now, if you can't see your YouTube recap at all, here's how to fix it. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for YouTube Music, and make sure the app is fully updated. Once you install the latest version, open the app again and the recap should appear at the top. And that's it. This is the easiest way to view and download your YouTube Music Recap 2025. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.